Changing your payout method on Proxymity is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Proxymity platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select payout methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Review the list of payout methods provided. Select the one you wish to change to, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or another option. Follow the prompts to enter any required information for the new method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Proxymity. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.